Hello everyone. In this video, we will be walking through how we can create a relational database for free on AWS free tier. Now go to your AWS management console, then search RDS. We will be using RDS service. So go to dashboard. So once you are in RDS dashboard, click create database. Now select a database creation method. Select standard create, then in engine select Postgres, then in templates select free tier, then set a DB instance identifier. Now set a username and password for master. You can give any name. Here I am setting as Postgres. Now you need to select a DB instance class. Select this default db.t3.micro. This will be the underlying system, processor or memory which will be running your database. Then select storage type, general purpose SSD GP2. Then allocated storage as 20 GB. Then uncheck this option, enable storage auto scaling. Now set all these as default. Then give public access as yes. Then set database port number as 5432. Select password authentication. You can uncheck this. Then give a initial database name. This step is very important. If you do not specify a database name, Amazon RDS does not create a database. So you must give a initial database name. You can uncheck this option. Then after that, hit create database. It may take some time to create the database. Now you can see your database created here. Click on to MyDB instance. Then you can see your endpoint and also port number. Now we need to create security groups. So click on to security group. Then select edit inbound rules. Then add rule. Select custom TCP. Then port number as 5432. Then source as anywhere IPv4. We also need to add IPv6 also. So click on add rule, custom TCP, port number 5432, then select IPv6. Then save rules. Now we can use pgadmin to connect to the database. So open pgadmin, then click on add new server. Then give a name. Then in connection, give database endpoint as hostname address. Then set port number as 5432. Then give your database name. Then give your Postgres username and password. Then hit save. Now you can see that you are successfully connected to AWS instance. And you can see your database here. Thank you.